Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Biometric Patient Attendance System with Parent Control. So, student name, semester, roll number, department, status, date and time. So, the project title name is IoT and ESP32 based biometric attendance system with parental control SMS alert. 5 volts power supply module, ESP32 AI thinker board we are using, GSM SIM 900 SMS alert, red LED, green LED indicators whether the finger is okay, green LED on, finger not okay, red LED on. I2C LCD display connected with SCL SDA I2C protocol. So sending the data to 16x2 LCD display. DY50 fingerprint module connected with RxTX to the serial communication 1, serial communication 2 connected to the GSM module. So we are getting the SMS alert. So all the students data should be continuously getting the SMS alerts. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A module. Press down, the SIM card will be come outside. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. SMS balance, main balance. Okay, slowly insert the lock. Upside is lock, downside is unlock. Upside is lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900 16x2 LCD display, I2C LCD display, DY50 fingerprint module, 3.3 volts regulator and red LED, green LED indicators, and here is the regulated 5 volts regulated power supply wire, 0 to 9 volts adapter, 9 volt to 5 volt regulated power supply, ESP32 board, biometric attendance system with parent control, DY50 fingerprint module. So here we are using hotspot mobile data on. Mobile data username is project, password is project 1234, all are small letters. Okay, fingerprint is connected successfully. Whenever the finger connected, so we need to place the fingerprint onto the fingerprint module. If the finger is okay, then it will go for the green LED on. Finger okay. Ritam Das in welcome to class. Okay, welcome to class. Green LED on. Okay, sending SMS to parent mobile number. So here I am using only one mobile number for checking. After that I am going to add individual mobile, sending the data to server, red LED on. So Ritam Das, 5th CSC, time 4:17, means 4 o'clock 17. Okay, now I am going to test the finger. Finger okay by Ritam Das, out at college. Okay, sending the SMS to the parent mobile number. Okay, and Ritam Das out at college, sending the SMS alert. Okay, so here student name, class, date, time, how to, status is how to 4:18 minutes. Okay, now I am going for different finger. Okay, Vishwal Das in welcome to class, green LED on. Okay, sending SMS to parent mobile number. Yeah, Vishwal Das, Ritam Das, Gautam Das. Okay, sending data to server. Now it is sending the data to server. Here it will update the data onto the server. Yeah, 6th in time 4:19. Okay, so now so this is 0 finger, first finger, second finger, third finger, means total 4 fingers. Finger okay. Vishwal Das out at college. Vishwal Das out at college, sending SMS to the parent mobile number. Vishwal Das out at the college classroom. So here it will update the data. Yeah, Vishwal Das 6th date CSC out at college. Okay, so now I am going for the last finger, 4th finger. Yeah, finger okay. Okay, finger okay. Chinmay Das in, welcome to class. Okay, green LED on, sending SMS to the parent mobile, entered into the class. Okay, here it will update the data, sending data to server. Yeah, Chinmay Das, first semester in CSE in, okay, 421. Okay, same finger, fourth finger. Yeah, by Chinmay Das, out at college. SMS to the parent mobile. Okay, out at college. So this is our total block diagram. 5 volts power supply, ESP32 board, GSM SIM 900, SMS alert, red LED, green LED indicator, I2C LCD display, 16x2 LCD display, DY50 fingerprint module. Okay, this is our total block diagram of the project. So here Chinmay Das first to out, time is okay 4:25.